Hi, today what we're going to do is these three types of elbow. We have the PVC long sweep elbow, carbon steel, and carbon steel threaded elbow. First, we will make this one PVC long sweep elbow. Change the view to top view. Make circle with a diameter of 39 units. This one. Then another circle with a diameter of 33 units. Okay, and then rotate, and then copy this one by 25 units, this one. Okay, and then copy this one also by 25 units, and then another by 4 units. Okay, remove this one, and then copy, go to front view first, and then copy this one by 86 units, and then rotate from the center point, go to front view, move this by 86 units. We have to check the dimension from center to center. This must be 86 and this must be 86 also. Okay, so now the next command is to make a line. Change the working plane to right plane. Make line from this quadrant, small line, let's say 5 units. Also here, go to top plane, make line 5 units also, and then we will make a fillet with the radius of 63 units here. So F for fillet, select the two lines, fillet, and then radius of 63 units, and then select the two lines, and then join, J for join. So this is now one polyline. Okay, so copy this one, copy this into the same location, and then sweep. Use the sweep command. Click the circle, enter, and then click this polyline. Okay, so the next command is the loft. Type loft, click this small circle and then the big circle. Same with this, and then press pull this circle until here, also with this one. Okay, so the next command is the union command. Click this union and then select all, enter. This is now one solid object, and then go to solid, shell, select the object, and then select this surface area, and then this surface area, enter, and then the offset distance, that is the thickness of our pipe, that is 3 millimeters. Enter, enter, enter. This one, this is the 3 millimeters thickness. Okay, this is the PVC, and then make line here. Then we will do now this one, the carbon steel elbow. Okay, home, right plane, make circle with a diameter of 33 units, then another circle with a diameter of 27 units. Copy this, go down by 38 units, rotate, move by 38 units. This one. Go to front view to check the center to center distance. From here to here, 38. This one's 38 also. Okay, and then make line right plane, make line from this quadrant, 5 units, then another line, top plane, 5 units also, and then we will make a fillet, and then with the radius of 53 units. F for fillet, radius 53, enter, and then click the 2 lines, this one, and then join these 3 lines, J for join, okay, and then use the sweep command, copy first this one, same location, use the sweep command, click this circle, enter, and then this circle, okay, and then go to solid, shell, select the object, and then click this area, and click this area, enter, offset distance of 3 units, that's the thickness of our pipe. Okay, now we have to do the elbow with threaded. As you can see, this has a thread, as you can see here, this has a thread inside. Okay, so we will make this one. First we have to make a circle, right plane, circle with a diameter of 46 units, and another circle with a diameter of 40 units. Then copy this by 16 units, this one, and then copy by 38 units, and then rotate from this midpoint, go to front view, move this by 38 units, measure the distance from center to center. This is 46, this is 46, so it will be, move this by 8 units, move this by 8 units also. Okay, so this is now 38, 38, same with this one. Okay, so same procedure, right plane, and then make line from this, 5 units only, and then top plane, make line, 5 units also. Okay, and then sweep, and then make a fillet with the radius of 23 units. Okay, F for fillet, radius of 23 units, select the 2 lines, and then sweep command, click this circle, enter, click this arc. Okay, so go to front view, measure the distance from here, center to center, this is 19, it's from center to center, this is 19, so we will move this one by 19 units, and this one also by 19 units. Let's click this solid, shell, click this object, and then click this area, and this area also, enter, offset distance of, how many? 5 units. Okay, because this is threaded, and then press pull, from here to here. Same with this. And then press pull. This circle until this center point. Okay, and then now solid fillet edge, click this corner, erase first the 2D circle, fillet edge, click this, radius of 2 units, make it 2, same with this, fillet edge, click this, radius 2 units. Okay, for the helix, for the thread, just copy this one first. Okay, and then copy again by 20 units. Okay, change the plane first to right plane, then type helix, click this one, center, and then the base radius is this one, click this again, and until here. Okay, let's change the property of this helix. Go to properties, select this helix, the height will be 20, the number of turns will be 8. Okay, that's fine. Close the property. Okay, so for this one, type polygon, number of side is 3. Click this one, inscribe in a circle. Radius of the circle will be 1.5. And then rotate. Move this midpoint until this endpoint. Okay, use the sweep command. Click this triangle, enter, and then click this alignment. Click no, and then select the path, the helix, this one. Okay, go to front view, and then copy this one, then move this somewhere here, and then rotate this, and then move also from here to this, move somewhere here, and then use the subtract command, SU, enter, select this object, enter, and then select the thread. Same with this, SU to subtract, click this object, enter, and then the thread, enter. Front view, and then for the X-ray, you see there is a thread inside. There is a thread inside for this one. Okay, so let's remove the excess lines. Select similar, and then delete. Make a union for this. Okay, so this is now our product. To make it more presentable, go to material browser, and let's use this one, ionized blue-gray, for this, and then the orange for the PVC, type orange, this one, and for this one, for the other one, let's use the this color magenta, or any color. You can use any color for this. Okay, so this is now our product final design for the PVC long sweep, carbon steel welded elbow, and then this is the carbon steel threaded elbow. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more 3D tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.